Hello everyone and welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Again, I'm Clint, where I'll teach you guys songs easily and in detail. And this one is going to be called Chest Pain by MALCOLM TODD. So this one's going to be a quick and easy guitar tutorial compared to the usual songs or videos that I'm teaching here in this channel. This one's been circulating around TikTok, especially in social media nowadays. So I decided to give it a crack, give it a go. And I've been learning this song fairly recently as well, so I figured might as well not just teach this to you guys as well, so that'll be fun. And yeah, so disclaimers first. I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. So first up are going to be the chords that we're going to be using in this song, which are going to be these ones right here. Yep, first up is going to be the A minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be 5, dead string, 5, 5, 5, dead string. Next up is going to be the B minor 7 chord. Same chord shape, but we're just going to be moving it from the 5th fret to the 7th fret. That is going to be 7, dead string, 7, 7, 7, dead string. Next up is going to be the B7 chord, which could either be like this or like this, depending on your preference when it comes to playing the chord. So that would be 7, dead string, 7, 8, 7, then a dead string as well. Next up is going to be the E minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. For this one, we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 7th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string in the lower E string. That's going to be 7, 9, 7, 8, 7. It's going to be the D7 chord. It's going to be like this. Once again, using our index finger to bar the 5th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And you can also use your middle finger too, as a kind of support when it comes to creating this chord. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be dead string in the lower E string. It's going to be 5, 7, 5, 7, then 5. Then lastly, it's going to be the C major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string, 3, 5, 4, 5, then dead string. Yep, got the A minor 7, B minor 7, B7, E minor 7, D7, then the C major 7 chord. And as for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yes, so pretty much just going to be bass, D, G, B. That's going to be back up again. It's going to be G, then D. So it's going to be E, D, G, B, then G, then D. Yep. And as for the bass note, it could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. So for the bass of chords such as the A minor 7 chord, given that we're going to be pressing this lower E string, our bass string is going to be the lower E string. So that's going to be lower E string, D, G, B, then back up again, G, then D. Yep. And for chords such as the D7, for example, our root note is going to be on the A string, which means that our bass note is going to be the A string as well. So that's going to be A, D, G, B, G, D. For example, of course. Same thing with the C major 7 as well. Yep, pretty easy in my opinion. And yeah, so that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 6 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And there's also going to be some chords where we only need to play 3 counts, which means that we're only going to be plucking the first 3 notes for the plucking patterns for those chords. So it's just going to be the bass, D, then G. Like for example, if those 2 chords will be played for just 3 counts each only. Spoiler alert, it is. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so when it comes to the chord progression that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Allow me to demonstrate. Once again, A minor 7 chord for 6 counts. Using our plucking pattern, it's going to be like this. B minor 7, only 3 counts. Just plucking the first 3 notes in our plucking pattern. Next up is the B7 chord for 3 counts. Once again, same thing. And the E minor 7 chord for 3 counts. Once again, same thing. D7 for 3 counts. And the C major 7 chord for 6 counts. just like that. A minor 7, B minor 7, B7, E minor 7, D7, then C major 7. Yep, in one fast motion, it's going to be like this. Yep, it's going to be like that. Then we're just going to be repeating our chord progression for a total of 20 repetitions. And that's going to be your song basically from the very first verse up until the outro section of this song. Pretty much from start to finish. And yeah, and once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I love, 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 I love. And yeah, so that's the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.